Introducing the MTM-100-1200 Torque Tester Universal from Flexible Assembly Systems. This advanced torque tester from AIMCO combines precision, versatility, and user-friendly features to ensure accurate and reliable measurements. With a broad torque range of 10-100/121,200 InLb, the AUET/MTM-100-1200 caters to a wide variety of testing requirements, making it an indispensable tool for various industries. Equipped with 1/4-1/2 Dr. drive sizes, this torque tester offers flexibility to accommodate different fastener sizes and applications, ensuring compatibility with your specific needs. The adjustable auto clear feature simplifies the testing process by automatically resetting the display after a predetermined time, enhancing efficiency and streamlining your workflow. The AUET/MTM-100-1200 provides 3 measurement modes: peak, first peak, and track, allowing you to capture different torque values based on your testing requirements. The inclusion of a repeatable joint simulator enables accurate and consistent testing, ensuring reliable and repeatable results. With an accuracy of 0.5% and a display resolution of 0.1 InLb, the AUET/MTM-100-1200 delivers precise and dependable measurements. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the AUET/MTM-100-1200 Torque Tester Universal. Its wide torque range, multiple drive sizes, and advanced features make it an essential tool for professionals seeking precision and versatility in their testing applications. Invest in this top-of-the-line torque tester and experience the confidence of accurate and reliable measurements.